All right, so in our units of study, we've been learning all about the bloodstream. And does anybody know how many types of blood we have in our bodies? Excellent, you're right. We have two types of blood. Remember what they are? Perfect. They are red blood cells and white blood cells. And we learned that white blood cells fight germs and keep us from getting sick. But germs are invisible. How do we see them? How do we know that we're really fighting germs? By staying healthy and by washing our hands. We're going to do a really fun experiment that's going to show you just how that works. What you're going to need is some pepper. This is going to be the germs. This is what we're going to use to represent our germs. If you don't have pepper, you can use either some parsley or cinnamon, but I really recommend pepper because the other spices will not hold up as well in terms of this experiment. So try to use some pepper. You're going to need some dish soap. You're going to need about a cup of water. If you don't have a measuring cup, that's fine. You can use a plastic cup. That's okay. Doesn't matter. You're going to need a bowl, and you're going to need a plate. They don't have to be ceramic or glass. It can be paper. That's okay. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to pour the water into the bowl. And the water is going to represent our skin on our bodies. It's going to represent the surface of our skin and how germs stick to your body. They stick to your skin. Camera down so you can see. Next up, we need to add our germs. We need to fill a decent amount of some pepper into our bowl of water to represent the germs. So we're just going to shake up the pepper in there. Try to do this so you guys can see. I'm going to end up opening the top a little bit. Get some real germy water. Show you guys. You guys see? Look at all those germs in there. Gross. All those germs on your skin. Next thing you're going to do to get ready is you're going to put dish soap onto your plate. Get a nice, decent amount on there. Make it very soapy because we know that by using some soap and washing our hands, that helps us stay healthy and fight germs. Made a little bit of a mess over here. Can you guys see my soap on here? All right. So here we go. I first want to know before we do this, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think the germs will go away with the soap? Do you think that they'll stay on your hands? What do you guys think? Those are some good hypotheses. We're going to see what happens, all right? So remember, the water is acting as the surface of our skin. The water is our skin, and these are the germs inside. They stick to your hands, and we're just going to see what happens. If I get my hands dirty with the germs, I'm going to dip my finger into the germs, swirl it around. Oh my God, look at all these germs that are on my hands. Oh, this could make me so sick. Do you see all the germs? All of that pepper, all of the germs that are on my finger. Look at that. Nasty germs. Gross. So we need to get rid of our germs. And how can you stay healthy? What's a way that you can get rid of your germs? Right, by washing our hands. So look what we're going to do. We're going to see if the soap makes the germs really go away. I'm going to dip my finger into the germs, get them germs out, put them in the soap, spin it around. Look what happened. Are they still on my hand? No, they're in the soap. They got them all off. Look at that. All the germs stayed in the soap and they're not on me. And now, this is the coolest part. Look what's going to happen. If I dip my soapy clean hand into the germs, watch what happens. I really want you to see this. I'm trying to get my camera just so, because it's really cool. Ready? Watch this. Whoa, look what happened. You add soap to it, all of the germs moved away. You see that they're all on the edges. The soap made them go away. They're all clean now. Holy cow, that was the coolest thing ever. It's a good thing we have those white blood cells to fight germs, but something you could do every day is wash your hands. Get rid of those germs like you just saw. I hope that you liked doing this experiment. I can't wait to hear all about it when you try it. Let me know how it goes.